Take the steps and mount them to the vertical frames of the slide one by one as shown. Tighten the attachment on all ends with the help of plastic knobs. Insert the base support of the swing to the vertical frame of the slide. Fix it securely with the help of plastic knobs. Attach the swing frame support to the base. Place the swing on the frame securely with the help of knobs. Mount the backrest on the swing seat. Install the front support on the swing seat. Attach the basketball hoop. Place the slide as shown.